guys, you should not miss this technique, because in this technique we are experimenting it is apply or not. If someone applies a master lock on you from behind, then how should you defend yourself if he uses his full strength? So let's start the technique. Guys, you can see he uses his full strength. Now I apply the technique. I'm keeping my leg back. You can see he can understand my technique. Now here I will use my mind and I will grab his knee from the front side and push him down like this way. Now here he grabbed me tightly again. Now here I will up my hands like this way and grab his hairs or ears tightly. When he feel pain, he will leave you early. Guys, now we will show you this technique again. Watch. Yes. He grip tightly. Now I apply. Yeah. Now push it down. Yeah. When he grab, then bring your hand over like this and then grab his ear. Yes. And throw him down. Guys, must tell us in comment box how you like this technique, and you do practice with your partner on a soft area, and must tell us in comment box it works or not. So guys, if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel, share video with a friend and press the bell icon. Thank you.